Gentlemen, the pressure to plan a great date has never been higher thanks to social media. Because you know that whatever you do, your girl is gonna be posting about it on social media. And then you are gonna be judged based on how much fun her ass is having. Is it fair? No! But is it a reality? Yes. And so today, gentlemen, in an attempt to help you knock it out of the date park, I'm going over 10 best date ideas you haven't thought of. I have dug deep into my man bag of tricks to help you abso-freaking-lutely crush it, starting with number 1. Call this the thrift store challenge. You're gonna give your girl $20. You're gonna take $20. The challenge is you've gotta go to a thrift store and you've gotta shop for an outfit for you, $20. She's gotta shop for an outfit for her, $20. And then you're going to vote on who has the best outfit for $20. And the loser has to treat the other person to pizza and beer or pizza and a beer. And the deal is this, you gotta wear the outfits you bought to dinner. Ultimately, you're a gentleman and you end up paying because she looks so damn cute. Number 2 is an open mic night. Not where you're performing, not where she's performing. You're just going to laugh and to enjoy the entertainment. If you do a Google search for open mic nights in your area, guys, you're gonna get a ton of results. Mic nights for comedy or musicians or singers or poets or for whatever. A lot of times they're gonna have them in bars or coffee shops and they're just a lot of fun. Now, typically the people that are gonna be there totally suck, but that's what makes them awesome. Number 3, volunteer together. Whether or not it's at a food bank, a homeless shelter, a dog shelter, guys, it doesn't matter. The fact is, if you and her go and do something like that together and you do something good to help other people, it connects you, it bonds you. There's something amazing that happens when you help somebody else, and when you do that together, it's like a different level. You guys are connecting in a way that most people don't, and it's something that feels good, it's helping other people, and honestly, it's an amazing date. Number 4 is a foot massage, a couple's foot massage date. My God, gentlemen, let me tell you, you wanna talk about putty in your proverbial paws? This is gonna make it happen. What you're gonna do, a little Google search for foot massage in your area, and you're gonna find a ton of different options. Typically, the way that it works, you go in, you sit next to each other, you each have somebody like work in on your feet, up your calf. It feels amazing, and it's more macho than a pedicure. Number 5 is live entertainment. There is nothing better, more exciting, more engaging, more amazing in terms of a date than going to a concert, a sporting event, a Broadway show, a music festival, a comedy club. And if you've got today's video sponsor, SeatGeek, downloaded on your phone, you have got it all under control. So most of you guys have already heard about SeatGeek. Hopefully you have it downloaded onto your phone, because if you're somebody who likes going and doing incredibly cool stuff and doesn't like getting screwed on tickets, it's a must-have, because SeatGeek is a ticket buying app. The way that it works, they aggregate all of the tickets that are for sale for a specific event, and then they rate each ticket on a scale of 1 to 10 and indicate whether or not it's a good deal or a bad deal by a green dot good, red dot bad. So you download the free app, open it up, there's a link down below, and then based on your location, all right, it's going to show you all the cool things that are going on. You can browse by category: sports, concerts, Broadway show, comedy, music festivals. But then the thing that I love is popular this weekend, because I always am like, I don't know what I'm doing this weekend, right? This allows you to buy tickets like immediately and go and do super cool things. All right, you find something you want to go to, boom, open it up. And then right there, there's the map. And then you can see all of the tickets that are for sale. Some are good, some are bad in terms of the deal. You pick something you want to go to, boom. Hit that link down below, totally free to download. And then when you're there, make sure to use the code ALPHA. They're going to give you $20 off of your first ticket purchase, which is awesome. So you can take your girl out for a burrito afterwards. Gentlemen, hit that link, download the app, use the code ALPHA, and get $20 off your first ticket purchase. Number 6 is a good old-fashioned ghost tour. Now, ghost tours can be a little bit cheesy, they can be a little bit ridiculous, but at the end of the day, they're a lot of fun. Typically, they're at night, spooky, and even if you don't have one in your town, if you just Google search ghost tour, they're gonna show you locations in towns close to you. Stupid, Al, there's no such thing as ghosts. Shut up, it's just fun. Gentlemen, go. And if she gets scared and needs to cuddle up to your big, strong, sexy ass, even better. Number 7 is fishing. Even if you're not like a fisherman, even if you don't own a rod, go to a Target, go to Walmart, go to wherever and buy 2 cheap ass rods. All right, maybe a few hooks, a bobber, whatever. You don't need like a whole like proper tackle box. You just need rods and a little bit of bait. Maybe bring a bottle of wine, a cooler of beer, something to eat. It's just a lot of fun. You're outside doing something together, and it allows you time to talk, because when you're fishing, there's a lot of downtime. Be prepared, because if she catches something, you gotta be the one who takes it off the hook. Cowboy. I'm not touching that. That can't be your reaction. Number 8 is rock climbing gym. Gentlemen, that was douchey even for me. All right, a rock climbing gym, guys, is a lot of fun. You're secure, you're safe. Even if you suck, guys, you're doing something as a team. Your life is in her hands, and her life is in yours. Number 9 is antiquing. I know, right? I just became like a 72-year-old woman like that. I am not afraid to admit that I love antiquing. I love going to antique stores. I love going to flea markets, walking around and just checking stuff out. Now, the truth is, the majority of the stuff is absolute shit, right? But there are some gems, there are some fun things, and it's just a lot of fun to sort of walk around, coffee or spicy senorita, and just cruise around. And what you're going to find a lot of times, if you find one like antique store, you're probably going to find a few others like close to it, and you can hit a few of them. They're a lot of fun to just go and browse, and once in a while, you're gonna find a gem. And last but certainly not least, the 10th best date idea you haven't thought of is be a tourist in your own town. When I go out of town or I go to a new city, I will typically Google search like things to do in, Seattle or Los Angeles. A list of things to do. Some things are free, some are paid, but at the end of the day, these are things that people that are out of town guests or visitors will do. They're tourists, right? Well, you can do the same thing for your town. It's funny, but I grew up in Philadelphia. It wasn't until last year that I went and saw like the Liberty Bell and Independence Hall and all that stuff. It's like, for some reason, we forget that the place that we actually live has some really cool things to do. Come on, give me one of these. Those 10 were solid, right? You probably haven't thought of them, but you probably have something I haven't thought of. Down in the comments, let me know, let everybody know, what is a great date idea that she will absolutely love?